What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Just a quick video to go over one of my favorite cases from Spigen. I did this for the iPhone 15 last year. I'm going to do it for the iPhone 16 Pro Max, and we're going to go over their neat little ultra hybrid. These are kind of the see-through tech that we've been seeing a lot of. So I've got the MagFit for Magsafe iPhone 16 Pro Max ultra hybrid case here, right? So I don't remember what they're actually calling this model. Let's see. I think it's just ultra hybrid. Also, I have the matching Magsafe Wallet to go with this, and then we've got another couple accessories that I'll just kind of throw in here because they just all go together really, really cool. Look at this case. Is that not just fabulous looking? I mean, it's got such a cool look to it, and you may have seen these. Look at that. That is so cool. Sometimes I don't even like to cover this case up with like the Magsafe Wallet because it takes away from the really cool looking Magsafe like see-through. Now I do have this from Satechi. This is one of their new USB-C hubs. It gives you a SD card and 2 USB-C ports. So let's go ahead and see how this looks together. So we can plug this in. Sometimes I think I did like that. That's kind of cool. Yes. Very, very neat, right? So there's is like a see-through hub. So you've got that whole look going on there. And then I have the Studio Beats right here, the see-through edition. So that kind of looks good together. And then I also have this Hinovi, I don't know, MagSafe charger. So I can take that, put it on there, and we can MagSafe charge. Once I turned it on, there we go. There's a little LED that shows, boom, that it's charging. Too bad I can't flip that around. But yeah, we're charging right here. Stop touching stuff, we're charging. So those are some really cool, quick little accessories that have the see-through technology based on them. And again, MagSafe, obviously, I just demonstrated that with this case. All the ports look good. Fits really, really well. It gives you pretty good protection. Shows the sides really, really well too. So if you like this see-through look for your iPhone, the Spigen case is amazing. This here, MagSafe Wallet accompanies it. Basically, you can put some cards in here and push them. Okay, it's nothing fancy, but it does kind of rock that look a little bit. But for me, this is really a really, really neat looking case. I'll have a link in the show notes for what I can in this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And as always, guys, thanks for watching and have a good one.